This instructional video will show how to replace the toner container in the MA2600cwfx printer. When an individual toner container, C for cyan, M for magenta, Y for yellow, or K, which is for black, displays on the operation screen, toner is low, then we know it is close to time for replacing. Once a toner container is empty, use this procedure to maintain image quality. We recommend using genuine Kyocera containers. Genuine Kyocera toner is engineered specifically for Kyocera printers. Using any toner that is not Kyocera genuine toner may affect print quality and could damage the printer. Using non-Kyocera toner will also void the printer warranty. To replace the toner container, first open the right cover. Unlock the toner container by pulling up on this lever on the container as shown. Remove the toner container straight out of the printer. Put the old toner container into the provided plastic waste bag and seal the bag. The toner containers are manufactured from recycled plastic, so put the used toner container into your recycle bin. When inserting the new toner container, be careful not to touch this electrical contact. Shake the new toner container back and forth 5 to 6 times and insert it all of the way into the printer. Close the right cover. You have now successfully replaced a toner container in your MA2600cwfx printer.